Welcome to TGT News. I am Mariah Centeno. First up, Samsung, you made a big boo-boo. Recall because your batteries are exploding? My goodness. Now we're going to turn to Daddy to take a quick look at the weather.
Yeah, it's actually pretty nice out right now. So, you want to open the door so I can come back in the house?
No. Maybe next time you'll buy me that coloring book. Next up, Sony.
Hey, don't ignore me. Hey, I'm your father. You can't treat me like this.
Sony making a $3,000 Walkman? Seriously? But you know what? I can't get mad at Sony because people are going to go and buy it. And that's it for TGT News. I'm Mariah Centeno. Have a great day. How many times have I told you? That hurt me. That hurt.